para. It seems to me that there are three principal ways in which we can learn to do things or to do understand things dash looking regarding reading or hearing full stop. We can watch things done by other people and copy their movements and actions full stop. This is the way in which we learn when we are very young full stop. Babies and all young animals of course are very quick to copy the acts of their mothers and in this way they learn a very great amount in a remarkably short time full stop. We continue throughout our lives to learn in this way for we are always seeing others do certain things in certain ways and then making some attempt to carry out like acts ourselves full stop. When we grow up however we are able to make observation within much wider limits and we are free to learn great numbers of things simply by watching full stop. Not only can we see the life going on around about us but we have also brought right into the home the moving pictures and the TV set full stop. There is perhaps no more interesting and successful method of learning about other countries than to watch moving pictures that have been taken into in those places full stop. Most of us find it much easier to remember what we have seen than to remember what we have read in a book or have been told full stop. Even a very good writer telling us of scenes and doings in far off lands cannot bring to our minds to clear a picture of those countries as can a quite short moving picture full stop. That is why many schools use both TV and the moving picture in the course of instruction is subjects as different from one another as history and science full stop. In such subjects, mere reading is not enough to give a complete picture of the material under consideration full stop para. We can then use our eyes when we want to learn using our powers of seeing and of observation full stop. We must also however use our powers of hearing full stop. To most of us this is a difficult way of learning and we have often to work quite hard to master the art of learning through hearing full stop. An exception is of course the subject of languages for clearly there is no better way to learn a language than to hear other people speaking it full stop. Mere book knowledge of a language is a poor thing for a language does not really live until it is used full stop. When however we are dealing with ideas, learning through hearing becomes more difficult, full stop. We have to learn first to pay attention, full stop. How often does a teacher say column, pay attention, comma, please, exclamation, and how necessary are the words, full stop. If no notes are being taken, the words once said have gone forever, full stop. If they live at all, it must be in the memories of those who have heard the words, full stop. When we first go to school, we think we are learning to write and to read and to do little sums, comma, but in fact we are also learning something of even more importance, colon. We are learning to pay attention, comma, to hear that what the teacher says, comma, and to hold in it in our memories, full stop. The person who is able to pay attention is a much better learner than the person whose mind is always going off into other fields of thought, comma, even though the two people may have equally good minds in other respects, full stop. Many people who attend public meetings find that their attention is not always given to the person speaking, comma, and it is indeed a good man or woman who can hold our complete attention for half an hour or more, full stop. It is probably true that most people learn most things most easily through reading, full stop. They can read the material they wish to learn, comma, and can read it again many, comma, many times if they so desire, full stop. They can memorize the written word with a reasonable degree of ease, comma, and can usually master a far larger amount of material in this way in a given time than would be possible by any other method, full stop. Seeing, comma, reading, comma, and hearing all play their part in our complete development as we grow into men and women, full stop.